Hello, allow us to introduce ourselves to you, so you have an idea of whom you are dealing with. Welcome to yet another no-thrills video taken by John, Joanna, or Poppy for our site bg.house. The company name is Nyama Problemi, which when translated, means no problems. Our property website is www.bg.house. All properties offered to you are 100% freehold, and we have been selling properties for 20 years, so we have all the experience to help in any situation. Our main office is located in the town of Popovo. Popovo is a small but busy town with a village-like community with a feel and outlook, which of course is a very safe environment to live, work and play. Whether as a retiree, young couple, or even as a child attending school, there is a lot to be said for the area of Popovo, which is in Targovishte. As Bulgarian edges closer to adopting the euro, property prices are on the move. Although there are some low-end investments still being offered on the market, these days they are becoming less and less as the prices are on the rise. As you watch the videos of these low-end properties, you may find yourself shocked by the state of the properties or the grounds, with literally rubbish left behind as they had not been cleaned out prior to being offered for sale. Or the gardens are all overgrown. Well, believe it or not, that is very good news for any low-end investor or purchaser. This means you are looking at a property with the scope to make a profit or buy it at its absolute lowest market price, with no more than a few days' work cleaning and moving rubbish. The property itself can be resold at a profit. Without a massive outlay on repairs, this is just one way to make a profit with ease. We are always on hand to offer advice if needed. On the other hand, there is an unbelievable demand for finished properties that are ready to move into. So again, the real estate market is well worth looking into. There seems to be something for everybody. Please subscribe to our channel below and visit our website and see what there is for you.
Are you looking for a peaceful and charming village to call home? Look no further than Tsar Asen, located in the Targovishte area of Bulgaria. This beautiful village is just a 20-minute drive from Popovo town, 80 kilometers from Veliko Tarnovo, 70 kilometers from Ruse, and 170 kilometers from Varna. With its convenient location and tranquil atmosphere, Tsar Asen is the perfect place for nature lovers and those seeking a slower pace of life. One of the highlights of this village is its friendly and welcoming community. The locals are known for their warm hospitality and are always happy to welcome new residents. The village is also known for its peaceful and quiet surroundings, making it an ideal location for those looking to escape the hustle and bustle of city life. In Tsar Asen, you will find all the necessary amenities within reach. There is a shop, bus stop, library, post office, and even a beautiful lake for fishing and leisurely walks. This village truly offers the best of both worlds, a tranquil setting surrounded by nature, yet with all the necessary conveniences nearby. Now, let's talk about the stunning property that is currently on the market in Tsar Asen, a big Bulgarian house with a large garden of approximately 1,500 square m. The house is located near the center of the village, making it easily accessible and convenient for daily activities. The property also includes several outbuildings, providing ample space for storage or potential for renovation into additional living spaces. The house itself is spread over 2 floors. On the first floor, you will find a basement, internal stairs, a corridor, 3 rooms, and an old bathroom. The second floor features a terrace, a corridor, 3 rooms, and a storage area. While the house may need some work and modernization, it has great potential to be transformed into a dream home. One of the major advantages of this property is the spacious garden. With plenty of room for gardening and outdoor activities, you can truly make this space your own. Imagine enjoying your morning coffee on the terrace while taking in the stunning views of the countryside, or spending your evenings in the garden surrounded by the peacefulness of nature. Additionally, there is ample space for parking, making it convenient for those with vehicles. Whether you are looking for a permanent residence or a holiday home, this property has everything you need to make it your own. In conclusion, If you are looking for a quiet and picturesque village to call home, Tsar Asen is the perfect choice. With its friendly community, convenient location, and charming property for sale, this village has everything you need for a comfortable and fulfilling life. Don't miss out on this opportunity. Come and see this big Bulgarian house in Tsar Asen today. You should watch this video all the way through as we have tried to take in every aspect of the property. Yes, it needs some work, but as you see, it's no more than a DIY project as no specialized work is required to make it your own.